television reality show na America's Next Top Model ang mga obra ng isang Pinoy designer na si Michael Cinco. Hangang-hanga pa nga kay Michael ang international fashion photographer na si Nigel Barker. Makikita kay Nelson Ganda.
Balik Pilipinas ang international fashion photographer na si Nigel Barker kasama ang kilalang fashion runway trainer na si Jay Alexander. Sa pagharap nila sa media, nagbigay sila ng tips kung paano ma-boost ang confidence ng isang tao.
There's a reason why people put one foot in front of the other, put a hand on one hip and drop the other. You're draping, you're creating angles. By taking the hand off the body, you're not pushing the body fat, making your arms fat.
Naikwento pa ni Nigel sa GMA News na mga Pinoy pala ang kanyang mga kababata sa England. Bukod dito, may isa pang Pinay na malapit sa kanyang puso.
And I had a Filipino nanny as a young boy, and I did, and she was extremely loving to me. I'll never forget her way about her.
Malaki raw ang paghanga ni Nigel sa mga Pilipino, lalo na sa angkin nating talento. Tuwang-tuwang nga raw siya nang makatrabaho niya ang Dubai-based Pinoy designer na si Michael Cinco sa current cycle ng America's Next Top Model.
It was one of my favorite shoots to date, partly because his designs were so extraordinary and out of this world that it gives a photographer like myself the opportunity to, make a photograph so fantastical that it's exactly what high fashion and couture is all about.
The theme of the photo shoot was eco-couture using recycled materials. So ang ginawa ko, I designed couture dresses using safety pins, rubber bands. I also use cellophane, garbage bags, and fabric that are used for parachutes. There is one specification only from Tyra Banks. She wanted me to create huge and voluminous dresses.
Para kay Michael, isang di malilimutang experience ang maging parte ng programa ni Tyra Banks.
Very professional. Tyra Banks is super down to earth. I remember the first thing she told me was, you were the first Filipino designer in the show.
Nelson Canlas updated sa Showbiz Happenings.